I'm gonna put, oh, my bad. Today we are going to do a few things. Getting ready to prep for our cruise, which is in 6 days. Today's the 21st, it's on the 28th. However many days that is.
Are you?
About to go do Shay's dog.
They're home.
Oh,
I want to go return some stuff and get coffee and go get my nails done.
okay.
How long are you going to be?
I just have to brush my hair. I mean, we could just go, honestly, it doesn't really matter.
Maybe just
I'm back. I'm stressing just a little bit. I have like curtains I wanted to put up. I have a whole like room makeover that I have to film, and that's not going to be fun. That's about as far as I got packing. I still have a lot. Yeah, this is what we're looking at so far. I gave up. I'm probably gonna just do my nails now. It's the next day. It is today. Today's Saturday. Finish my one nail that I have left. Gonna finish packing. I finished my nails. This is what they look like. I had a really good cry sesh. I'm watching a movie. I don't really know what to do now. So I'm really just finishing up packing and making sure I have everything that I need. I'm only taking this bag and this bag, so I'm hoping that I can fit everything in here. Not worry about it because this is already really heavy and I'm gonna have to carry this everywhere because that's the only one that they take. I'm gonna start putting the tinsel in my hair now. That's crazy.
I want you to stay.
Well, this is how we're looking. It's a little bit crazy. I'm gonna wait for like 5 to 10 minutes. I'm probably gonna tone her and then I'm going to self-tan. Don't mind my hair, letting it cool. It's the next morning. It is around 7:30, I think. Oh, it's only 7. We're good. And we're leaving at 8. I gotta get dressed. I'm so scared. Future Riley here. I did not end up making an outro to this video because I got severely seasick. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.